This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. Position the workshop jack under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member and remove the jack. The fuel filter is mounted under the left-hand side of the vehicle, adjacent to the fuel additive tank. Place absorbent rags beneath, then prise up the clip, depress the release button, and disconnect the fuel pipe from the filter housing. Attach a pipe to the base of the filter, then undo the tap and drain any liquid into a suitable container. With the filter drained, close the tap and disconnect the pipe. Unscrew and remove the filter element from the housing. Prior to fitting, lubricate the new seal with clean diesel. Where fitted, remove the plastic cap, then insert the new filter into the housing, then tighten it until the lug reaches the stop. Reconnect the pipe and secure it with the retaining clip. Turn the ignition key to the on position and wait 30 seconds before turning it to the off position. Repeat this twice more before starting the engine. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands.